Hello, Harry. Ouch. You're back. We're back. I, I, okay, hello again, Harry. Can you say something? Say hello, teacher. Okay, I can hear you. Okay, let's continue, Harry. And for now, okay. So for now, we're going to do our review. We will review and then we're done. Tomorrow, we will continue with our lesson. Okay, Harry, let's start with our review. Are you ready? What's wrong? For this review, you need to get 30 points. Hmm? So so low. Do you want do you want it to be higher? Higher, higher.
No,
Just 30 or 35 or 40?
40.
You want it to be 40? Really? Okay, let's make it 40, ah. Ah, you will need to get 40 points. Okay. So let's have letter C, Harry, and for this one, we just have to write the correct 400. You want it to be 400? No. Can you do it? Are you sure? Okay. Now you're going to put the right words here on the blank. How do you spell one? You can tell me na lang, Harry. Okay? Let's spell the word. I'll cover this one. I know you know this one already. Okay, Harry, tell me number one. How do you spell the word one?
And
Faster. Okay, very good. Wait for a while. Let's make it a little smaller. Okay, good job. One. That's correct. Next, two. Spell the word two. Two. Don't know. How do you spell two? Huh?
C
Faster.
W O.
Oh, very good. Next. Why am I here? It should be here. Three. Spell the word three. Go.
H R E.
Very good. How many E?
Two, two,
Two only, not three. Okay, next. Four.
F U R.
Again, what is that?
F O U R.
Okay, okay. I thought you said F-U-R. Five. Faster.
F I V E.
Very good. Six. Faster.
S
Seven.
S E V E N.
Oh, very good. Eight.
E
Eh,
I E
again.
I
E-I.
V
Very good.
H
Ah.
C
Wow, you know how to spell the word eight. Good job. Okay, because eight is a little confusing. Nine. Faster. Faster, come on. You will need to get 4,000 points.
F F
Okay, good job. N-I-N-E. Okay, let me correct this first. Okay, check, 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 check. Okay, you've got, I will give you 10 here. 10 over 10. Very good, Harry. Okay, this is finally 10 now. Now let's proceed with our next. Ay, did I take a screenshot? Ah, okay, let's just continue with the next activity. Okay, next, Harry, you need to match. Match, match, match. Read each number and then match it to the numbers, okay? Okay, number one.
Queen, 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 queen.
Ah,
Huh?
okay, read the numbers. Go.
8, 4, 3, 9, 2, 7, 6.
8439276. Very good. That's correct. Number two. Okay, go. What you?
3, 3, queen, queen, queen.
What? Okay, read the numbers. I can't hear you. Seven. Go. Seven. One.
7,
Thank
1,
you.
3, 9, 7, 1, 6. Okay,
Okay.
3, 8, 6, 6, 4.
So hard. Okay, for this one, Harry, I will give you 5 over 5. What is 10 plus 5, Harry? Come on! What is 10 plus 5? Charge, lubat. Harry! Nabilin sa doon sa office ni Lula. 10 plus 5 is?
1,000.
15! Okay, 15. Wait for a while. Let me save this one. Okay, next, Harry. Okay, let's just this one. Ah, you already got that 15, ah. 15 over 40. Okay, next. Lesson 4, you need to write the clothes. Okay, I'll be writing it. You just have to tell teacher, okay? Number 1, Harry. You can choose your answer inside the box here.
Ha,
Number 1 is,
ha.
okay. 2,
Coat,
coat. Very good. 3,
sweater,
sweater. Very good. And last, number 4,
boot,
okay. Let's complete the sentence, Harry, by saying, I can wear. Oh, no, no, no. I am wearing dot, 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 block. Okay. Number 1. Can you complete the sentence for number 1? I am. Go. Come on. I am. Harry, come on. I am wearing.
I'm wearing hat.
Ah, only one.
I'm
Again.
wearing hat.
Again?
I am wearing hat.
No.
A
It's only
hat.
one. Again.
I'm, I'm wearing a hat.
Yes, good. Number 2.
I'm wearing a coat.
Very good. 3.
Junk.
Number 3. Did you fart? Did you fart? Harry.
Sweater.
Ah, did you fart?
And
Bạn có xì hơi không?
Yeah.
no,
But why did you cover
mommy.
your nose? Why did you do this?
No, I don't know.
Ah. You covered your nose. And then you said, I heard the noise. And then you covered your nose. Did you fart? Really? Okay, okay. It's okay to fart. That's normal. Okay, last number 3. I I can't hear you.
I'm wearing a boot.
No, no, number 3, number 3.
I'm wearing a sweater.
I am wearing again.
I'm wearing
Ah,
I am wearing
ah.
sweater.
Yes, I am wearing a sweater. Last number 4. There's S, ha? How will you say it? I. Be careful, ha? That's sharp. It can hurt you. Again, I can't hear you.
I'm wearing a boots.
Hmm? Is it a?
I'm
No. Again.
wearing boots.
Yes. No, I am wearing boots. Okay, for this one, I will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 15 plus 5, Harry? 15 plus 5 is? Okay, I'll do it. 20. Okay, next. This one, let's complete the sentence. Then. Hmm. We only have 1 and 2. What are you doing? What's happening to you? Okay, next. For this one, we're going to complete the sentence. Like, for example, number 1, Harry. Can you read? Ish.
She wearing a sweater. No, she isn't.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a coat.
Okay, she is wearing a coat. Okay, wait, let me make it smaller. Okay, no, she isn't. She is wearing a coat. Very good. No. No, it will be a question. Another question, Harry. Look. It's another question. Again, is she wearing a sweater? No, she isn't. Another question. Is
Is he wearing a coat? Yes, he is.
Yes, very good. Yes, she is. That's right. Number 2.
Number
Number 2.
is he wearing boots?
And
Yes, he is.
is
Is
he wearing
he
boots? Wait.
is he
Let's see if he's
wearing
wearing
a
boots.
hat?
No, he isn't. Ah, everything's gone. Wait for a while. Okay, for this one, is she wearing A coat. Yes, she is. And then, what's your question, Harry? Is he wearing boots? What will be the answer? Look at his feet. Is he wearing boots?
Yes.
Hmm? Are
Yes.
those boots? No, those aren't boots. So what will you say? Is he wearing boots?
No, he isn't.
Okay, no, he isn't. And then what the other question? Next is
Is he wearing a hat? Yes, he is.
okay, there you go. Yes, he is. I okay, good job. Wait for a while. Yes, he is. Okay, for this one, I will give you one, two, three, four, five, six. Six. What is 20 plus 6, Harry? 20 plus 6 is
26.
26. There you go. That's right. It's 26. No, it's not 26. It's 27. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, next. We're almost there. Oh, circle. Can you see it, Harry?
No.
What about this? Can you see it?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
I said, can you see it? Yes,
Okay.
I can. No, I can't. Okay, so you can see children above, right, Harry?
Yes.
And then you can see the check in which part they are wearing. You can see every check, right? So all you have to do is answer. Like, for example, number one, can you read?
Is he wearing shoes and socks?
Okay, look at this boy. This is the first boy. Is he wearing shoes and socks? Socks and then shoes.
Yes, he is.
Very good. That's it. That's how you do it. Good job. Circle. Done. What's that? Number two. Can you read?
Is he wearing a sweater and pants?
Is she wearing a hat and boots? This is the girl. Hat and boots. Ah, is she wearing a hat and boots?
No.
Circle your answer. Let me see, hat, yes. Boots, no. Okay, so it's no, she isn't. Because she's wearing a hat, Harry, right? But, Harry, she is wearing a hat, but she is not wearing a boot. So that's why our answer is no, she isn't. Okay, next, number three.
Is he wearing a sweater and pants?
Ah, for the boy, is he wearing a sweater? Where's the sweater? This is the sweater. and boots. What is your answer? No?
He is.
Okay, the answer is no, he isn't. Last, for the girl. I know, for another girl. Let's see. For the girl, can you read?
Is she wearing a t-shirt and shorts?
Okay, t-shirt and short. Let's see. T-shirt and then shorts. And then this is the girl. What is your answer?
Yes, she is.
Okay, you circle the yes, she is. Okay, very good, Harry. Your score is good. 26 over 40. Okay, for this one, I will give you 8. What is 26 plus 8, Harry? 26 plus 8 is
He
30.
is.
You count it like this, 26 plus 8, 26. You ready your hands? Look at teacher. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 30,
4,
34. So the answer is
34.
yes. Okay. So finally you are 34 over 40. You will need to get 4 more points. Okay, here we go. Let's continue. For this one, let's just answer 1 and 2. Okay, you have to choose your answer inside the box. Like, let's start with number 1. Number 1,
What's she wearing? She's wearing a dress.
mm-mm,
Ah,
a hat, yes, and
and a dress.
okay, and a dress. Very good. This is already the review. Hat and dress. Next, number 2.
He doesn't want pizza.
He doesn't want a
Banana.
He doesn't want pizza. This guy doesn't want a pizza. He doesn't want. He wants a banana. Very good. That's correct. Mm. Okay, next. Number 3 and 4. 3.
Don't see.
Huh? I
I don't see.
wait, 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 wait. But we'll make it a little smaller. Okay, these are the words. I'll just write it here. Coat, boots, French fries, salad. These are the words that you're going to choose. Number 3. What? Huh?
What's up?
No.
What is it?
No.
What's she wearing?
Yes, there you go. What's she wearing? Next.
She's she's wearing a coat
Uh-huh.
and boots.
And boots.
Boots.
No need to put aha. She's wearing a coat and boots. Uh, Number 4. He
Hmm. He doesn't want a suit. He want a French fries.
Again, he doesn't want a
He doesn't want
what?
a
What is it?
fruit salad.
Ah, you can just choose here. We have French fries and salad. Again, he doesn't want a.
He doesn't want a salad.
Mm-hmm.
He,
And
he wants a French fries.
no a. He wants.
French fries.
Again.
He wants a French fries.
Again.
He wants a French fries.
No a.
He wants French fries.
Okay, can you read number 3 again, Harry? Number 3, what?
What's he wearing? She's wearing a coat and boots.
Okay, number 4. Number 4, he.
Her,
You read number 4 also. He doesn't.
he wants French fries.
No. This one. The question. This one first. He.
He doesn't want a salad. He wants French fries.
Okay, he wants French fries. Okay, for this one, where is your score? Your score is gone. Okay, for this one, I will give you 6. What is 34 plus 6?
Pepperoni.
Okay, clap your hands, Harry. Finally, you already had 40 points. Good job. Dun, 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 dun. Why do you have a hula hoop? Whose hula hoop is it? Is that your hula hoop? Do you
No.
know? Do you know how to use it? Can you do it? Go. Wow. Wow. Oh, you're sweating. You go there. Pahangin sa electric fan. Okay, go, Harry. Go. In 3, 2, 1. Ho, 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 ho. Wow. You're good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. You know how to do it. Okay, so I think we're done with our review, Harry. Is it heavy? Is it heavy?
No.
Well, it's not. Okay. So that's it to the for this afternoon, Harry. Goodbye. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good night. I love you. Mm, that's not Kuya Arslan. That's Kuya Harry. Bye bye. Bye bye, Harry. You can call Simon now. Bye bye. Love you.